Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to tackle a question that's crucial for anyone building robust and scalable applications using Next.js. How can you set a timeout for requests to the next? JS server. This is an important topic because it directly affects the performance and reliability of your application. When dealing with external APIs or services, things don't always go as planned, and having a mechanism to handle these situations gracefully is vital. In this video, we'll dive into the world of timeouts in Next.js, explore why they're necessary, and provide a step-by-step guide on how to implement them effectively. By the end of this discussion, you'll have a solid understanding of how to set timeouts for requests to your Next.js server, ensuring that your application remains responsive and user-friendly even under challenging conditions. To start off, let's define what a timeout is in the context of API requests or server interactions. Essentially, a timeout is the maximum amount of time, in milliseconds, that your application will wait for a response from an external service before deciding to cancel the request and handle it as failed. This mechanism prevents your application from hanging indefinitely, waiting for a response that might never come. Next.js provides several ways to set timeouts, depending on how you're making requests and what components of Next.js you're using. For example, if you're using the built-in fetch API within your pages or APIs, you can pass an options object with a timeout property specified in milliseconds. However, when dealing directly with the Next.js server, for instance, when creating server-side rendered SSR pages or handling AP routes, setting timeouts involves understanding how Next.js handles incoming requests. The key concept here is to ensure that your server doesn't get stuck on a single request for too long, which could lead to performance degradation and poor user experience. One approach to setting timeouts in such scenarios involves using middleware functions. Middleware acts as a bridge between the client's request and your application logic, allowing you to execute code before or after the main handler function is invoked. By introducing a timeout within this middleware layer, you can effectively control how long Next.js waits for a response. Another strategy involves leveraging external libraries that provide higher-level abstractions around handling timeouts and retries. Libraries like Axios offer built-in support for setting timeouts and can simplify your code when dealing with these scenarios. Understand the importance of timeouts in preventing application hang-ups. Learn how to set timeouts using the fetch API within Next.js pages or APIs. Recognize the role of middleware in handling server-side requests and implementing timeouts at this level. Consider leveraging external libraries for streamlined timeout management. That's a wrap on how to set a timeout for requests to your Next.js server. Implementing timeouts is a straightforward yet crucial step in ensuring that your application remains responsive under all circumstances. If you have questions about the approaches discussed or any other related topics, please don't hesitate to drop them in the comments below. Also, if this video helped clarify things for you, consider liking it and sharing it with others who might find it helpful. And if you're new here, take a moment to subscribe. We regularly post content aimed at helping developers master their craft. Thanks for watching, and until next time.